Hi guys, we are doing another video of bird watching. And yeah, I'm going to get my binoculars, like always. Okay, I got my binoculars, and as you can see, here. And last episode, there was a problem, and it's pretty sad. Last episode, we found a dead bird, and it's still there. It's seriously still there. Look at it. Look at that sadness right there. Just lying there. Last time I actually thought it was like, what do you call them? Flippers, yeah. See? Yep. Yeah. And that was pretty sad. So, we try not to do that. Yeah. And there was birds in that tree right there, which was pretty cool. I don't know if you guys saw them, because they were like, when I looked in the camera, they were only like little tiny dots, literally. Yeah. And like the binoculars don't work for you guys apparently, which sucks. That'll be cool though. I wish there was a zoom on this camera. Wow, tablet. Any birds on here? No. Okay. Oh, that stinks. You. Much, hey y'all. And of course, Squeaky has to be in one of my videos. Don't you, Mush? Mush. Bye, Mush. Anything in here? Oh, you can see my reflection. Hello. How are you? Are you good? I am. Bye-bye. Sorry if there's lots of noise. My neighbours are, I think, hosing a bike down. No offense. Hope they don't watch this video. Hey, Mush. Yep. Ah, I think I missed it. I saw another toy. Oh my, that was so cool though. Literally, it was just flying over there. Let's go and look at my binoculars. There's another cabbage tree, you see it? Right there? Right over there. There's a cabbage tree right there. Look at that. You see that? Hi y'all. It's on the power line. Hi y'all, pretty. Birds are so cute. Aren't you? You're a cute bird. You're a cute bird. Okay, now this is bird watching, guys. Where is it going? Going over there. I actually totally forgot about the power line. Oh my, there's a flock. There's a flock right on that tree over there. Don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a flock right there. I'm trying to get onto it. Okay. You see that? It's so cute. Oh, bye-bye. Whoa! I didn't realize you guys. I'm just using my binoculars on them right now. Whoa. I might have accidentally zoomed into one of its spots. Which, I think good. Hi y'all. Now there was a lot more birds than there was last time. Apart from that dead bird on the road. Hey elf friends. I heard another toy. We still haven't found a fantail or a toy yet. We've heard them. I found one in the last video, but it was on this cabbage tree, which you couldn't see because of the sunlight. Mush. I would say this wasn't successful, but I'm still going. I think the front yard is the best place for birds. Yeah. Hey, Mush. No. Oh my, look at all those birds. You guys have to see this. Look at all them. Hey, cuties. I'm gonna zoom on. I'm gonna get my good binoculars. Where are they? Whoa. Look at them, they're so cute. Sorry, the camera was facing down because I need to look at my binoculars. And then all of them flew away, apart from that one. Oh, he's gone.